Welcome back to Age and Flourish. Today we are cooking moi moi. This is the beans and the ingredients that we use. The beans already washed, soaked and washed. Now I have my dried shrimps there. So the first step is for you to blend the beans. You add the beans and add water to it. Let the water just come a little bit above the beans. Then you blend. Add your onion to the beans, then blend the bell pepper and the pepper separately so that the redness of the bell pepper will come out very well when you mix the beans. Okay, then I added my crayfish to it to give it more flavor, and that's the chicken bouillon, the tomato on to add more redness to it. Then I add 1 spoon of salt and I add one cooking spoon of oil. I tasted, and so I added a little bit more salt and a little bit of more water for it to get the consistency that I wanted. So that's the oil spray, pan spray, the 11-inch skillet. That is the 11-inch skillet salad master cookware. So I added 8 cups, 8 measuring cups of already blended and mixed moi. Then I added my egg, fresh egg, direct. There's no need for you to cook the egg first before you add, and allow it to cook on medium heat between 20 to 25 minutes depending on the intensity of your heat. Then you check and you see it will come clean. If it doesn't come clean immediately, you just cover it a little bit more and you lower the heat. So, and that's it, it's cooked. Allow it to cool down a little bit. You know, the moi moi is not a very hot dish, it's a warm dish. And so when it cool down, you can now be able to cut it. And look at that. Look at the cookware clean. And look at the moi moi. Wow. Yummy. Enjoy.